Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another headlamp review. Now this is on the D25S from 77 OutDoor, and they wanted me to test and review this. Comes in this box here. They do have an Amazon store. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up, see what's in. Now, them having an Amazon store, you'll be able to get these shipped very quickly to you. Here it comes with the user manual. Now, it's just a card. I'm going to try to see if I can get this in here where you can see it. And you've got 1200 lumens on turbo. Now, if you need more time to read this, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and move on. Here's the USB charging cable. And here's the headlamp. Now I've tested and reviewed their other light. Very similar to this, but same, easy to maneuver. It has a little bit of a clicking on each level. Now again, the band feels very nice, comfortable, nice quality. There's the side switch to turn it on, and then as you can see, there's the charging port. A little LED there will light up when you're charging, and it is greased on the threads. That'll help water from getting in there. Build quality is very nice on this. Style and design is pretty basic, so I'm not seeing any issues there. It's going to be nice. Single 18650. Does come with a cell, so the finish on this is nice. Feels good. You can take this off really easy, so you can easily take it off and on. So that's pretty nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. There's the spring, grease on the threads, so that's nice. Remove that, and then there is a spring down inside. And then of course comes with a Sofern battery just like the previous one, but this one here is a 2800 milliamp. Now I had tested and reviewed these on a single cell flashlight last year or the year before, and these did real well. These were about 2700 milliamps, so really close. This is a protected cell, so again I stress, adds a lot of value to this. So this will give you plenty of power to run this headlamp as well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get it started here. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty simple. We're going to turn that on. Click this to turn it on. A lot of light there. Now if you want to go through the levels, you're going to press and hold the side switch, and that'll go up and then back down through the UI. Now here you can just press and hold to go between medium and high, but if you want to go through the additional light outputs, you have to press and hold that down, which is easy. When you get to the highest output, I'll show you the beam here. Nice little hotspot on here. It's not going to have a super amount of throw on here, but it's going to be a little more on the floody side. It's going to have some distance on this. White on that. A lot of light coming out of that. Then of course, if you want to get strobe or any kind of special modes here, you're going to double click to get strobe. And then you can double click again, we'll get you beacon. Double click again. Now it goes right back to strobe. Click it one time. Now this does have memory mode, so if you click that to turn it off, turn it back on, it does memorize the last light output that you had it on. So that's really nice. This doesn't have any kind of SOS on there. Turn that off. And that's all there is to this light. Does get pretty warm right up here, but I'm not feeling the heat. When I've tested this out before, I was not feeling any heat near my head at all. Alright, really nice, affordable headlamp. A lot of light output on there. 1200 lumens is going to be plenty for most people. Alright, so let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Okay, we're out here tonight in the darkness with the D25S headlamp on my head. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on here. It's the lowest setting there. And you can easily see probably 30 feet, maybe 35. A lot of light come out of this, just at this light output. And it feels really comfortable too. That's 35 feet to that water spout. Alright, so we're going to go to the next level. And as you can see, it's got a real large hot spot on this. Tree there is 65 feet from where I'm standing. There it is on the fence. Pan around here a little bit. I'm going to show you. Quite impressed with the light output on this. And then we're going to go up to the next level. As you can see, and it is faintly making the tree of life. 138 feet to that tree. But we'll show it more on turbo. Here's the before, after. Look at that. Now, this is all from a headlamp. Hands-free light whenever you need it, wherever you need it. Keeping your thrower in your other hand. See further. Really nice performance on this. We're going to go up to the next level here. Again, really floody on this. Looks great. Faintly making it actually across the park. Faint. But it is throwing out there pretty good. There's the tree of life now. Lit up more, as you can see. A lot of area all down in front of me here. I'll put the light hotspot, which is huge, on the tree. You can see all the way there. Look at that. All the way out the sides. Doing really good. We'll do a before and after here as well. At this light output. Incredible. And there is turbo. Look at all the light. Lighting up that tree of life. Before, after. Look at all this light in front of me. All down below my feet. Really nice full beam on this. A lot more on the floody side, but it does have some throw. Got that centralized hot spot there. We'll do a beam profile here. Look at that, almost to my feet. And this is a complete kit, comes with a very nice Sofern 2800 milliamp protected cell. Can give you some good run times. And you don't need all this light output. I mean, you'd be surprised how nice 200, 300 lumens is. A lot of light. This here is actually overkill for what I would need, even if you're walking, running, hiking. See all the bugs. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, hope you enjoyed those night shots. D25S was impressive. If you ride a bicycle, if you hike, I'm not too sure about jogging with this, kind of a little bit on the heavy side, but if you're walking, hiking, should be fine. Normally, some of the people that I've talked to, they prefer when they're jogging a real light headlamp on the top of their head. So as far as all the others besides jogging or running, this is going to be very suitable for that purpose. Provides a lot of light out there. It's got a nice wide beam on there. A little bit of throw, a little bit of flood in both. So that's nice. Got a nice combination beam. Build quality feels very good. They provide a very nice battery. You're not going to pay a lot for this as well. So that's a big plus. So you get everything you need. You can charge it on the go. Really a nice little package for what you're going to pay for this. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these budget headlamps from 77 Outdoor to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.